A new exhibit is aiming to showcase those severely impacted by environmental injustice. Universities teamed up to show how certain communities are being plagued by environmental inequalities. As Paul Dudley reports, this includes two areas in Southeast Louisiana, Gordon Plaza and Cancer Alley.
Inside the New Orleans Center for Creative Arts, you will find a new exhibit showcasing urgent issues of environmental injustices. As a part of the project, University of New Orleans students worked with residents of Gordon Plaza who are living on the site of a former landfill, and also with those living in Cancer Alley, an 85-mile stretch of land with more than 150 petrochemical plants and refineries.
There are a lot of connections between the residents of St. James Parish and Gordon Plaza. These are both communities where you have Black homeowners being deeply impacted by issues of environmental injustice.
Students from UNO helped document the stories of these residents, including the alarming number of cancer deaths in these areas, to show the deep historical roots of climate inequality. You'll find these stories in the form of virtual reality exhibits, moving audio testimony, and historical imagery, all created by students.
They worked with community partners, they listened, they learned. They also went into the archive. For instance, they created a timeline for Gordon Plaza using the city archives at the public library.
As a student, it was really rewarding. It was really great to kind of get out into the thick of it and not only feel like we were bearing witness and documenting a lot of the histories, which is very important, but also, getting involved, because a lot of times academia and history can be kind of isolated.
The exhibit, called Climates of Inequality, also features the work of students from 21 other universities to explore how other communities around the world are impacted by climate inequality and to bring about real change, both around the world and here at home.
I think as you explore the many different aspects of the exhibit, we can kind of pick up tips on how we can better advocate for our local issues and then further partner with the global community to advocate as a larger group.
Paul Dudley, Eyewitness News.
Regular hours for the exhibit will be Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays from noon to 5 through February 13th. It's at 5 Press Gallery at New Orleans Center for Creative Arts.